Hey guys, Aaron here. I got my track Cayman behind me, and today I want to remove the rear wing or spoiler there so that I can paint it. When I bought the car, it came silver, but I am going with a black and yellow theme now. So to make it match, I want to remove this, paint it black, and continue my stripe down here. But this video is about how to remove this. It is super simple. First, you just have to pop that open, lift the back. Just have to turn the ignition on, and we're going to use this little button right here. Just hold it in until you hear it stop moving. And don't forget to take the key out so you don't drain your battery. I've done that before. All right, now we're going to come over here, and there are just 7 little screws that we have to remove, and they are all T15s. So we're going to get our little T15 paired up with a small ratchet. Will work perfectly. I'm just going to start right here on the back corner. Let's get it started. It's not that big of a screw. It does have a little washer with it. And then I'm just going to move on down the line, removing them one at a time. Just make sure you don't lose the washers. And the very last one, right here on this corner. Okay, with them all removed, you can just push the spoiler back a little bit, and it will come right off. So this back groove is what hooks into the back here. And here are all of our little mounting points. So for me, that's all I need to remove. Now, if you want to remove the rest, all you have left is 2 13mm nuts. So you just get an extension, 13mm socket, remove them from each of these places, and that will lift right off of these little actuators. They just have a little stud that the nut is screwed onto. And while you're in here, clean underneath that thing, because it's probably pretty dirty. Reinstallation is as simple as dropping it back on, putting those nuts back on, putting this on here, sliding it forward, and reinstalling 7 screws. There we go. So much better already. Boom, boom, all done. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're already subscribed to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up by clicking on the little like button below if you don't mind, and I'll see you guys on the next video.